Hello and welcome to this spreadsheet for calculating the lift point loads and lift factors for two hook lifts, developed by the Nobledenton. This spreadsheet is based on Nobledenton guidelines for marine lifting and lowering operations, ND0027 revision 11. This spreadsheet can be used for calculating the lifting point loads for a cargo which is being lifted by a two-hook arrangement. In such arrangements, there are many factors at play, like the weight contingency, the COG contingency, the tilt effect, the dynamic amplification factor and the yaw effect. This spreadsheet accounts for all of these factors and calculates the final lift point loads. It is to be noted that it calculates only the lift point loads and not the loads on the slings. The lift point loads can further be used to calculate the sling loads. Let's take a tour of this spreadsheet and see how it works. This is the welcome page which gives the directions of use, and cites the references. Next is the inputs sheet in which the lift type, vessel configuration, the details of the lifted object, COG variations, crane details, DAF and other relevant details are asked from the user. Once all the inputs are provided, the next worksheet calculates the load factors like the weight contingency, DAF, tilt angle, and yaw factor. With the load factors calculated, the next worksheet calculates the loads on the two crane hooks by calculating the total static load and adding the DAF to it. In the final worksheet, the actual loads at the four lifting points are calculated based on the COG envelope, the tilt angle and dynamic factors. These calculations are done as per Nobledenton ND0027 guidelines. With the lift point loads available, user can calculate the loads in the slings from these loads. That brings us to the end of this tour. This spreadsheet can be useful in two-hook lifting operations to ascertain the suitability of a proposed lift arrangement. Please visit thenablearc.com to know more about it and download it. Thanks for watching.